Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've come on tonight to show you the bag that I used for this afternoon. This is the Michael Kors Lillie Tote. It is with the gold chains. It is an absolutely beautiful bag. It has no outside pockets at all. It can be used as a tote or as a handbag for every day. There's the bottom of the bag right there. It is, I believe, PVC, which is extremely scrubbable. It's durable. It comes with a beautiful tag with the signature MK. Beautiful Michael Kors signature fabric on the inside. On the back of the bag here, I have placed just a lens cleaning cloth for my glasses. My husband uses this for his sunglasses. And I love how it comes on a keychain, which is very, very convenient. And that's from a company called Norwex. I always have that, if I can, hanging off the outside of my bag. As you can see, this bag holds quite a bit of items. There's so much more that can go in here. I haven't even filled all of the pockets myself. There is one long pocket along the back of the bag that is zippered. There are two outside pockets on the front of that. And as you can see, there's the Michael Kors tag. On the other side of the bag, if I was to flip it around, you can see there are two pockets on this side. This is not a structured bag. As you can see, it is collapsing on the side. And as I said, this can be used as a tote bag for the office if you prefer, or it can be used every day as a handbag. Because we are going out today with the extended family and I packed an extra few items keeping everyone in mind, I use it as a little bit of both. So let's take a look and see what I have inside. The back pocket back here, I have my house keys for the back door. I have a hair scrunchie. I also have multiple hair pretties or hair ties. I also have a pen. That's what I've put in this back pocket here. As you can see, this back pocket has quite deep, goes all the way almost to the bottom of the bag. I do not have anything in these pockets. I have placed the wallet that I was using. This is the Rucksack all leather wallet. It does have space here for cards on this side and coins on this side. I also put bills on either side, here and here. It has a back flap right here. Put some quick reach bills in there if you wish. It's in the beautiful linen color. I also have in here a fan. Is push button, 3 different speeds. These are available on Amazon. I also have in here with me today a makeup kit. This is not my regular makeup kit. I do not have eyeliner or mascara in here today. I did just the basics. I have some Nivea lip balm, medication. I have my SPF 15 lip balm, a lip gloss, a mirror. I also have foundation with me as well. A claw clip for your hair. I also brought with me the Essence Coconut, as well as concealer. I also brought with me, I don't know if you guys do this, but I do. This is a little pack of puppy poop bags. And I bring these with me if I'm going out for an extended day with family. And I'll put them in a little pouch such as this. And if anyone needs a little garbage bag, I have one with me. I have those with me as well. Let's see. A notebook. I also have with me a larger bag, and I will show you that because once I take out that larger bag, the bag is going to collapse on me. So I have my glasses, and I also took with me a charger cord with my charger. That's all I have in that pocket. I also took this with me today. In here I have a small leather bag with some feminine napkins in here. I have a nail file. I have foot balm. My daughter is allergic to the sun, so I brought her sunscreen with us. This is the SPF 110. I also had with me hand sanitizer, watermelon lemonade, my own sanitizer that I've bought. These are the packages that you get on Amazon. I have sent this link below. They're easy to compress, very slender for your bag, and they come out here. You can refill it in your favorite scent. I also have my oil blotting cloths as well. I brought Kleenex with me. Deodorant with me. I also had Bath and Body Works shea butter. I had headache medication with me. A shell wipe. Another nail file. A nail clipper. Pressed powder. Dental floss. More stress relief roll-on. A sample of perfume. Another claw clip. A wire coiled hair wrap. The mango pineapple lip balm. Another watermelon lemonade. Hand sanitizer. And that's all I have for in here. This bag does hold quite a bit of the width of my hand, so it does hold quite a bit of items. But being that I needed to bring all of this for in case I needed to put it in here. So I bought this with me, and it fit perfectly at the bottom of my bag. So here is the Michael Kors Lillie Tote. It is a beautiful bag to take as a handbag or a tote bag. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. Hope to see you soon.